Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Sentra AC filter. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new cabin air filter, which is crucial for clean air inside your car. A small flathead screwdriver or a trim tool can assist with prying panels. Also, a flashlight will be very useful to illuminate the often dark footwell area, making the process much clearer and easier to manage. Now, let's access the filter. Open your Nissan Sentra's glove box on the passenger side. You'll typically find a dampener arm on the right side. Unhook it. Then, gently push inward on both sides of the glove box to release its stops, allowing it to swing down fully. This action will reveal the cabin air filter housing, usually a rectangular cover located behind the glove box or in the footwell area. With the glove box lowered, you'll see the filter housing cover. Unclip it, often by pressing on tabs, and remove it. Now, carefully pull out the old cabin air filter. It might be a bit snug, so a gentle tug may be needed. Before inserting the new filter, note the airflow arrow on its side. This arrow must point in the correct direction, usually towards the front of the car or downwards, depending on your specific Sentra model. Finally, reassemble everything. Snap the filter housing cover back into place, making sure all clips are secure. Then, raise the glove box, re-engaging the side stops and reattaching the dampener arm. Close the glove box, and you're all set. Your Nissan Sentra now has a fresh cabin air filter, providing cleaner air. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.